In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix highlights that are not working on Instagram. So be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on your profile and click on the three lines in the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down and click on Help. Now, once you're there, you're going to click on Report a Problem. And you're going to describe your issue to Instagram by saying, "My Instagram highlights are not working. Please fix this, as it is very important." Now, they should get back to you within 3 to 5 business days. If they don't, be sure to come back onto our YouTube and we should find another solution for you. But that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.